Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about all the 26 naming reaction in the class 12. So first is Finkelstein reaction. In this Finkelstein reaction, RCl plus sodium iodide is used as a reactant with a reagent as acetone. So the product form is Ri means alkane alkyl iodide plus NaCl in precipitate form. So remember this reaction, Finkelstein reaction. Second reaction is Schwarz reaction. So in the Schwarz reaction, or RCl plus AgF means alkyl chloride plus silver fluoride is added. So see, chlorine is also a halogen and fluorine is also a halogen. So just halogen is changed, or you can say just halogen is interchanged. So RCl plus AgF, when we react them, we will get RF means alkyl fluoride plus AgCl in precipitated form. So next is reaction with active metal. So Wurtz reaction. Wurtz reaction, you have to remember the important point here is there are two sodium molecules are used in the Wurtz reaction. So and also uh, two halogen derivative are used. So 2Rx plus 2Na in presence of dry ether will give me 2R means a, alkyl product plus 2NaX means sodium and some halogens and 2NaX. So it's Wurtz fitting reaction. Wurtz fitting reaction. So in this, bromobenzene is added with methyl bromide in again presence of dry ether, and in this reaction also we are using 2Na means two sodium molecules. So bromobenzene plus methyl bromide under the effect of dry ether we will get toluene. So toluene is nothing but a benzene with a CH3 molecule plus 2 NaBr as a side product. So fifth is Wurtz no fifth is normal fitting reaction. So in this reaction, chlorobenzene plus 2 sodium molecules with in the presence of dry ether forms biphenyl. So so here are two phenyls, so we are calling it biphenyl plus 2 NaCl. So next are processes. First process is Gruss process. In this Gruss process, alcohol plus some halogen derivative plus some halogen acids in the suitable condition form alkyl halide and H2O. Seventh is Dow's process, Dow's process. So in this, chlorobenzene is in the presence of chlorobenzene in the presence of NaOH at 623 Kelvin and 150 atom pressure forms sodium phenoxide. So from chlorobenzene it forms sodium phenoxide, but and as you can see, sodium phenoxide contains O negative charge and Na plus charge on it. And in this first part of the Dawes process, HCl is formed as side product. So in this same reaction, when we add the hydronium ion, as you can see, is H3O. H3O, sorry for the brightness. So in this sodium phenoxide, when we add H3O plus, means our hydronium ion, we get phenol, means a benzene ring with OH. It's called phenol plus NaOH, means sodium hydroxide plus phenol. We get in the form of product in the Dawes process. So next is reaction of phenol. So the reaction is Kolb's reaction. In this Kolb's reaction, the sodium phenoxide plus CO2 is act as a reactant under 6 atomic pressure and 398 Kelvin temperature. uh, it converts into sodium salicylate. As you can see the structure of sodium salicylate, it contain a OH group and a COO-Na group. And again when it goes uh, and again the sodium salicylate plus, we add hydronium ion, means H plus ion in it, we get salicylic acid. So the main point to remember here is salicylic acid. So ninth is Williamson synthesis. So in this Williamson synthesis, one halogen derivative plus NaOR, means some ethers undergo reaction and form another ethers plus NaX. Preparation of aldehyde from alkyl chloride. Rosenmund reduction reaction. RCOCl म्हणजे means acyl chloride. Acyl, you have to remember one thing. Methyl means one carbon, and acetyl or acyl means two carbon atom. So acyl chloride plus H2 in presence of palladium and BaSO4 will give me RCOH, means an aldehyde plus HCl. So Rosenmund reduction. Reduction means addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen. So preparation of aldehyde from nitrites. Nitrites mean the compound containing nitrogens. So alkane nitrite, RC triple bond N, means as you can see here is sp hybridization. So there are three hybridizations that carbon forms with the neighboring atom, or any other element forms. So the hybridizations are sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, and sp3 hybridization. So sp hybridization is triple bond, sp2 hybridization is double bond, and sp3 hybridization is single bond. So alkane nitrile plus 2 hydrogen in presence of SnCl2 and HCl will give me imine hydrochloride, RHC, means RHC double bond NHCl, NHHCl. So when we again react it with hydronium ion, an aldehyde is formed with NH4Cl, means it's under the so it is preparation of acyl chloride. No, sorry, it's my mistake. Preparation of aromatic aldehydes from preparation of aromatic aldehydes from hydrocarbon. The main reaction here is Itard reaction. In the Itard reaction, toluene, as I said you earlier, toluene means simply a benzene ring with CH3 group. So in the Itard reaction, chromyl chloride is used, means CrO2 Cl2, and it gives product as chromium complex, and by adding hydronium ion in it we get benzaldehyde. So next is Tollens test or silver mirror test. So the test is also called silver mirror because in the whole reaction, as a product we get a thin layer of silver. No, sorry, the solution looks like a mirror of silver. So in this aldehyde plus Tollens reagent, you have to remember what is Tollens reagent. 2Ag NH3 plus 2, or you can say 2Ag NH3 2 plus 3OH minus is called Tollens reagent. So aldehyde plus Tollens reagent will give us carboxylate plus silver in precipitated form and ammonia as a gas plus some water molecules. So Fehling test, you have to remember sucrose in the Fehling test because sucrose give negative result in Fehling test. So aldehyde plus Fehling solution. What is Fehling solution? Cu2 plus OH minus. So when you boil the Fehling solution, we get carboxylate ion plus Cu2O as a red precipitate. Chemical reaction of aldehyde and ketones with nucleophile. So here is Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction is also called as disproportionation reaction. So first part of reaction is formaldehyde plus sodium hydroxide. So formaldehyde means presence of one carbon atoms. So when we heat the reactants, we get sodium formate plus methanol, means the product form here is methanol in Cannizzaro reaction. And in the next part of this reaction, a benzaldehyde is heated with KOH. It gives potassium benzoate plus phenyl methanol, or you can call it benzyl alcohol. In this benzene plus in this benzene is attached with CH2OH. And next is cross Cannizzaro reaction. In this cross Cannizzaro reaction, we add formaldehyde and benzaldehyde in the presence of concentrated sodium hydroxide and hydronium ion. So formaldehyde plus benzaldehyde will give us phenyl methanol and formic acid. You have to remember the name and structure of formic acid. Means one carbon atom, means CHCCOOH, formic acid. Cross Aldol condensation. In this we add ethanol plus propanol. Remember, two carbon atom with alcohol group ethanol and 3 carbon atom with alcohol group propanol, when added with dilute sodium hydroxide with some heat, when they undergo self condensation, we get two products. First is crotonaldehyde, or you can call it but 2 enol, means it's a aldehyde because we use the suffix al prefix. So plus 2 methyl pent 2 enol, and when the same reactants are cross are taken under cross condensation, there are also two product formed. First is 2 methyl but 2 enol and pent 2 enol. So 18 number reaction is Clemenson's reaction. In this Clemenson reaction, the carbonyl group in aldehyde and ketone plus some hydrogen with the reagent zinc or lead Hg plus a concentrated HCl will give us methyl group plus H2O, means some compound is formed with attached methyl group. Is Clemenson synthesis. 19 is Wolff-Kishner reduction. In this reaction, carbonyl group in aldehyde and ketone under the reagent H2 NH2 NH2, we get hydrazone. Hydrazone means C double bond N and NH2, and again reacting it with KOH and with HOCH2 CH2OH, means 2 carbon and 2 alcohol group, means diol, means ethane 2 diol will form methylene group. Next is Mendes reduction. In this Mendes reduction, RC double bond N, means some nitrite product are used plus hydrogen plus C2H5OH or LiLH LiAlH4 will give us RCH2NH2. This is first degree amine. So remember, this Mendes reduction give first degree amine. Next is Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. In this the product is phthalimide. Phthalimide means a benzene ring with CO and an NH group in this plus alcoholic KOH will give us potassium salt of phthalimide, means the same reactant with there is K plus in presence in the place of one hydrogen atom. So the another part of the reaction, when potassium salt of phthalimide we add Rx, means some halogen derivative, we get N-alkyl phthalimide, means that benzene ring with CO and Nr, and we again react it with NaOH in aqueous form, we get sodium phthalate plus R NH2, and this is first degree amine. Hoffman degradation. Hoffman, it is also called as Hoffman rearrangement, bromide degradation, Hoffman hyperbromide degradation. In this RCO NH2 plus Br2 plus KOH in aqueous form, when this is heated of one first degree amine, means RNH2 is formed plus 2 KBr plus K2CO3 plus 2H2O is formed, means Hoffman degradation in this reaction amide it's converted into first degree amine. Hoffman exhaustive alkylation. In this first degree amine is converted into second degree amine, then third degree amine, and at the last it is tetra alkyl ammonium halide. And 23rd naming reaction is Hoffman elimination reaction. In this, NN triethyl propyl ammonium iodide with moist AgO2 is converted into NNN triethyl propyl ammonium hydroxide, means iodide to hydroxide, and when we heat it, one water molecule is removed from it, and ethane plus N, N diethyl propyl amine is formed. 24th reaction is Friedel-Crafts reaction. In this, chlorobenzene plus methyl chloride in the presence of aluminum chloride, we get 1 chlorotoluene and 4 chlorotoluene. Obviously, the para toluene is more stable, means the second is the major byproduct. Now 25th is Rimmer-Timon reaction. In this, we add phenol plus CH3 in the presence of aqueous NaOH, and after adding NaOH in this, we get salicylaldehyde. So the last reaction is Gattermann-Koch formulation of arene. In this, benzene plus COHCl in anhydrous AlCl3 at high pressure, we get benzaldehyde, means a benzene group with CO2 group. Thanks for listening from me. I am giving the PDF link in the description. Thank you.